Okay. So where'd it go? Is it recording? Can you still see? Can you still see my screen share page?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So what we'll do is we're going to create a new page on your agent site. And you have to have some widget on here. So what I did is I made a company profile widget. So this is the widget. And then what I did is I just deleted things and adjusted things to make it work out okay, because I wanted to have some sort of header for the search. And then, where did I go? I also added a contact form at the bottom. Now as you scroll down, you'll have that contact form. Then you add a layout section. I got this 1/3, and so here is the top section. Here's the bottom section. I'm going to pull the 1/3 section to right in between them. So now I have 3 sections here. Okay. So now I go back to this. I'm going to copy that information. I go back to the center. Forgot I need to actually add text to each section. And I come back here to this text. You have to make sure you delete that. And then simply paste it. So now I'm going to go back and I'm going to do that for each of the other 2 sections. Make sure I delete that first.
So you're just copying and pasting just the text that says for the ones that's in left column and then middle column and then right
exactly.
column. Okay.
And then one thing that's kind of surprising me here, when I did this, I had to mess with the column widths a lot. It seems to be actually holding them in place right now for some reason. Okay, so right column. Paste. And now let's configure our widgets. Actually, you know what? Let me name this real quick before I forget. Okay, so we're going to enter a headline. Now, one thing I did do that he suggested is he added this at the bottom of his page. So I'm going to go ahead and copy it and show you. And what that does is I put it here so that people would know that this information was from nextdoor.com. And so stuff, I deleted all that. Things. Oh, so if it requires you to write something, if you hit the space bar, it'll basically count. But with it, it won't put anything in there that you'll have to look at. So then I put down here, search by area. And then you could put something else. Now let's go to our contact thing. And let's see. Look at that, Levette. No spaces.
Yeah, I know, it's weird.
Yeah. So save and apply. Let's see what it looks like now. That didn't save my stuff. Interesting. Let's do this. Oh, dang it. I didn't save and apply that one before I left it. So that's all we're going to do on that one instead of redoing everything. All right, so pretend that had changed it. I've configured my 2 pages. I've input everything. So let's go over here and hit Save Changes. It's going to ask me if I want to be able to see it. I'm going to put yes. It will not automatically go to my website because you can see it here. Now to add that to my site, I'm going to go Site and App Settings, Pages, Add a Page. This should populate here shortly. There it is. Let's see, there it is. Test Maui by area. Continue. Area. I'm just going to call this test. Okay, so once I do all that, hit Save Page Changes. And when I go to my page, refresh it, I should have another drop down. At the bottom it says Test Maui by area. Everybody's fingers crossed. So there's what I put in. I didn't change any of this the second time. And there's my nice, neat stuff. That's how you can do a 3-piece one. Now, we'll go ahead and stop the recording here.
That's awesome, Don.
Okay,
Yes,
do you want
thank
to stop cloud recording?